Hi, this is John with Sysenj Quick, and today I'm going to show you how to do Git branching and merging. So in Git, you have the concept of branches, which is a way of separating out certain parts of your repository from other parts. So you start out with the master branch, and that's kind of the main thing where everything should be kind of working. If you're going to make changes, you generally want to branch off of the master or wherever else you're working from, and then make those changes, and then later on merge those changes together. So that enables you to do work on parts of your repository without affecting things that other people are doing or interfering with their changes, or even enabling you to collaborate with other people on a change without messing up the main repository, which might be in a working state, with your changes, which may not yet be in a working state. So to do that, you have to create a branch, and you can do that with the git branch command. I'm going to go ahead and make a test branch. If we go to git status, you can see that we're on branch master. Just making a branch does not put you in that branch. You need to check out that branch to be in it. So we'll do git checkout test, and now you can see that we're on the branch test. So what can we do in here? Well, pretty much anything we did anywhere else. Let's go edit this test, and I'll just delete these lines, and we'll commit those changes. Removed dummy lines. So now what can I do with this branch? Let's see if we can push it to the origin. And what it's saying is, well, no, we can't, because there's no upstream branch there. If we want to do that, we have to send this branch there. So to do that, we simply run this command. And now we have a new branch that is in the origin. So that's our bare repository on our server. And it's the same way you'd send the branch to anyone else. You would just use a different remote. So let's go take a look and see how that works on our server. So I'm in git bare. I don't know where the branch is because it's a bare repository. So let's say I wanted to go back to git repo 2 and see if the changes are there. So let's go ahead and see if our changes are here. No, our changes aren't here because we're not on the test branch. Can we check out the test branch? Yes, we can. So there we are. We are now on the test branch, and if you look at that, we can see that our changes are indeed there. So our changes have gone up to the origin, our bare repository, and we can get them from somewhere else. We can pull them down. And I didn't cover that yet, but if you want to get the most current changes from your remote repository, like the origin, you simply run git pull, and it will tell you that you're up to date. And whenever you start working on something, it's generally a good idea to run git pull to make sure that changes are good. So that's useful, but now let's say we want to put our changes back and push them to the master repository. Let's say that we're done with our work in the test branch. We want to go back to the regular branch. So how do we do that? Well, we just git checkout master. We're now back in the master branch. You can see that our changes are no longer there, and we want to put our changes into this branch. To do that, we simply do git merge test. You can see that our changes are merged now, and we can even do git status, and we can see that we are ahead of origin master by one commit. Because that test had a commit, we've merged those commits into our master branch here, and we can push that up to the other repository. And if we go back to our server, we can go check out the master branch again. We can see that our changes are not here yet because we haven't pulled those changes. But if we do, we can now see that our changes are here. And that's one way that we can work collaboratively by branching and merging. Now that we've merged our changes, let's say that we're done with our test branch and we want to get rid of that. So how would we do that? All we have to do is do git branch -d for delete and the test branch. There we go, that's now been deleted. But we also have the origin test branch. To get rid of that, we need to do git push delete origin test. And there we go, it's no longer in our upstream Git bare repository. So there we go, we've removed our Git test branch, we've removed our branch from the upstream. It won't exist anywhere else except in here. If we do git branch, we can see there's still a test branch here. We didn't delete the local test branch from here. If you want to do that, again, branch -d and delete the test branch. So there we go. That's how you do branching and merging with Git. Thanks for watching. See you next time.